हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो बहुत खास होने वाला है क्योंकि आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ BTS मतलब कि बिहाइंड द सीन्स ऑफ मेकिंग माय फर्स्ट एवर 3-tier wedding cake. As I mentioned, it was my first ever 3-tier cake. So much work goes behind making a wedding cake. So today in this video, I'll be sharing with you all what all I carried to the venue and how I assembled the cake. Before few days only, I had started making the checklist of the things I'll be needing. I had carried the frosted bottom tier and frosted top 2 tiers separately in 2 separate boxes. I had also carried artificial flowers, sprinkles, decorative balls, heart toppers, couple initials, and some essential tools like scissors, staplers, palette knife, sellotape dispenser, etc. And yes, a piping bag with whipped cream to cover those last minute gaps if at all any. Floral arrangements, edible glitter, and so much more. Every element carefully chosen to craft the visual masterpiece. So many checklists were made to ensure not to forget anything. This beautiful topper was lovingly handcrafted by me for the couple, which not only elevated the look of the cake but also added to the height of the cake. I was super nervous as it was my first ever cake assembly at the venue. I could complete the cake with ease only with the help of my ever supportive husband. I am proud to say that the cake board too for this beautiful wedding cake was lovingly handcrafted by me, just to give the personal touch to this special cake. To others, it might be just a cake, but for me, it's a culmination of hard work, sleepless nights, and endless creative thoughts. It represents labor of love, striving to make every occasion extraordinary and extra special. So next time when you see a beautiful cake, remember the passion, hard work and dedication that went into creating that work of art. Thank you so much for taking your time out to watch this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and support. Your support means a lot. Thank you.